Hi everyone, it's Becky here. So today I went out with my parents to pick blueberries in the field. Here I am. So I can't really speak because my teeth were all stained with blueberry juice. The weather is really nice today, warm and sunny. So I've been very busy since the spring and summer, and I haven't been outdoors for a long time. But here I am. Life is getting back to normal again. It's really good to be out here again, breathing in the fresh air, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy these blueberries. I'm very happy. Okay, so I decided to do a very quick 10 to 15 minute sketch because my family can't really wait. So here I've chosen this spot with the pole here and the blueberry branches underneath. So here I'm putting my art journal on the ground. Here are my recent sketches. I'm gonna sketch on this blank spread right here. There's thousands of details in this blueberry bush and I only have 50 minutes, so I'm trying to simplify. So I started with a bunch of blueberries somewhere in the middle of the branches, and I just start drawing one after another. There are a lot of overlappings. Sketching very loosely. And I'm not looking for perfect shapes because I'm holding up my sketchbook. This way it's not easy for my arm to move around very comfortably. Alright, and adding some leaves around. Keep adding more blueberries. And the leaves underneath. And the veins. Drawing very quickly and not looking for perfect circles. So just trying to connect one thing after another, and I know there's some displacements or difference in proportions compared to the real life. So my goal is trying to capture my impression of what I see instead of copying exactly what's there. And now moving on to the top of the sketch, it's even looser and faster because it's not the central focus of the sketch. It's pretty much like taking a photograph with a professional camera. You want like a central focus with a lot of details around the center, and it's more blurry and less detailed out of focus around the edges. So there's a nice balance in the image. So now I'm ready to paint with my watercolors. So I'm wetting the background area or the negative space behind with clear water. First layer, again as I mentioned before in my previous videos, is always the lightest tone. This is kind of like the blend of sunshine and the earth. Yellow ochre mixing with a little bit of orange. Very loose. Just my impressions in abstract colors. Tiny bit of green blended in, wet on wet. Some more of these golden colors around the negative spaces. Blending in some more light green so it looks more lively. First layer for these leaves. The sunshine is so bright, it's brightening up all of the tips of the leaves. Just loosely blending in some light green for the leaves. Again, in this painting part, I'm trying to paint in the impressionist way instead of trying to copy what's really there. The wind was blowing and everything, all of the leaves are like changing places. And now I'm adding in this medium dark green because in between the blueberries and the leaves, there's the shade color. Now there's even more contrast in this sketch. I like it. So I mixed in a little bit brown or burnt sienna into the viridian green to get a shade color of the green for the shade part between the leaves. Now I'm adding a second layer for these leaves on the upper side in the sunshine. They're not as dark. Alright, just trying to use very quick loose brush strokes to show the moving branches because these are alive. They are dancing in the wind, so I really want to capture my feelings about that. Now adding these mix of cerulean blue and a little bit purple to get this blueberry color. As you can see, I'm leaving some tiny spots on the blueberries white because I want to show their shine in the sunshine. And now I'm just painting this wooden pool here. Very light colors and leaving the bright side on the left hand side bright in the sunshine. And that's pretty much it. I think it's done. I'm not gonna overwork on it. And here is my finished sketch. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click like and leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you very soon next time.